Man, check me out, man. Check me out, boy. Damn. Just like I said about them Cutlasses, the G-bodies, boy. I must be getting lucky or something. I don't know. Been finding bulk Chevys, man, left and right these days. Nah, I'm sure it's just the luck of the draw. But check this out, man. Another one. I think it's an 88 or is it an 89? Couldn't see it correctly. Oh, sorry about that sun in my eyes, but she hurting though, man. She hurting. I mean, she's all there, pretty straight, but I mean, I'm sure plenty of dudes out there will ride this. Plenty of dudes. Hell yeah. I'm pretty sure plenty of cops would love pulling this over too. You know how I go, right? Bulk Chevy, baby. Police love the bulk Chevy, or hate them depending on how you want to look at it. I knew what I was getting myself into when I bought mine again, and I got another one. Barely bought it, barely got it on the road. Same day pulled over by the police. Yep. Oh man, they honking them horns now. They want us out in the yard. They want us out the yard. Put this inside. Duck down a little bit here. I'm trying to avoid that guy so he don't see me. Yeah, there we go. Only this tail light's good. The other one's busted. The bumper looks straight. That filler looks good, I think. Yeah, look, see the side of it. She got a little tiny dents in her, but it's pretty straight. You know, I don't know what's up with that howl. Just messed up. The side fillers I think are gone. I see duals or just one. Yeah, that's straight car, pretty straight. She's been repainted too. Decent hail damage. I'm mad like I'm walking that way, so he think I'm walking away from it. So you see it? Say, man, shit, I ride this bitch. Shit, I don't care. Hell yeah. I think is this good on this? I think mine's one of, yeah, I'm gonna have to get one. I think it's this one of mine. Sucks, this thing's busted up. Shoot, I could have used that if it's the correct one. I forget what years that they break off of, but yeah, that hood's bitched up. I think she's what do you call it, creased over there, somewhere over there. I think I saw glass is busted on this. I'm sure you want to see. Let's take a quick look under the hood. As yeah, maybe she's not creased. I thought she was. No, actually she ain't creased. No, heck no, she ain't creased, man. I thought I must. Man, I'm tripping. I thought I saw it creased. Actually, this hood looks. Oh, she got a dent though. Yep. Oh, what? No, pop that out. Boy, look at that. Bam. Pop that bad boy out. Okay. We just got a short block. Been sitting for a minute. Surprised my phone's still going. It's hotter than a mother. Alright. Check out the trunk. She got a full set of these wheels. I thought they were soft 8s, but no, there's something else. Check out the RPO codes, and there's the VIN if you can kind of get at it. I ain't see nothing special. It's one of the door panels. Miscellaneous parts of the engine. Said it's I can't tell. I think it says 5.0, and I think it's 88. I'm not sure, 88, 89. I gotta run those numbers. Oh, they were a fisherman. And got some pieces up in here. Get you a distributor. Cowboys Nation. Got that. Sorry, I'm running through it quickly because one, my phone probably gonna die for the heat, and two, they closing the yard. I don't want them to be like, hey, get out of there. It's aluminum. Oh shit, it's 4-barrel. Inside, it's not bad. It ain't bad at all. Headliner sagging. Oh, she had a custom headliner. Oh, there's a little custom work to this boy. Look at that. Oh, yeah. What is that? I can't tell. Yeah, she ain't too bad. So this side. Alright. She manual. That manual locks, manual windows. Yeah. Yeah. Look at the mileage. You can see it. Oh man, it's freaking hot as balls. Whew. That's better than mine. Maybe I'll see what it is. Maybe I can tell what it is. Shoot, that's her bonds. That's her bail bonds right there. Her carburetor right there. Screw it. Let's look at the damn whatchamacallit. I might get that. See that? Look around the other side of that door panel. She ain't got a tilt though. Oh man, freaking dying. Yeah, the door panel not too bad. Yeah. I think the side mirrors are straight too. Yeah, the door panel's straight. Yeah, man. These might have been like Kragers or knockoff Kragers or something. Yeah, it said made in Taiwan. Alright, man. There she is. Let me get up out of here because people, they'll get pissed if you're coming in as they closing. They don't like that. So there she go. If I need anything, I'm gonna have to come back tomorrow. Cause it's already too late. There she is. Another bulk Chevy. Gonna bite the dust soon. Well, already, depending on how you want to look at it. Alright, man. On to the next one.